Here are 10 quick and easy weight loss recipes with green tea that you can try. Green tea is known for its metabolism-boosting properties, and combining it with healthy ingredients enhances its benefits. 1. Green tea lemon detox drink ingredients. 1 cup brewed green tea, cooled. 2. Juice of 1/2 lemon. 3. 1 teaspoon honey, optional, instructions. 1. Brew green tea and let it cool. 2. Mix in lemon juice and honey. 3. Enjoy chilled or at room temperature. 2. Green tea smoothie ingredients. 1 cup brewed green tea, cooled. 2. 1/2 banana. 3. 1 cup spinach. 4. 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk. 5. Ice cubes instructions. 1. Blend all ingredients until smooth. 2. Serve immediately. 3. Green tea overnight oats ingredients. 1. 1/2 cup rolled oats. 2. 1/2 cup brewed green tea, cooled. 3. 1/2 cup Greek yogurt. 4. 1 teaspoon chia seeds. 5. Fresh berries for topping instructions. 1. Combine oats, green tea, yogurt, and chia seeds. 2. Refrigerate overnight. 3. Top with berries before serving. 4. Cucumber green tea cooler ingredients. 1 cup brewed green tea, cooled. 2. 1/2 cucumber, sliced. 3. 4 mint leaves. 4. Ice cubes instructions. 1. Combine all ingredients in a glass. 2. Stir well and enjoy. 5. Green tea soup ingredients. 1 cup brewed green tea. 2. 1/2 cup boiled vegetables, broccoli, carrots, zucchini. 3. A pinch of salt and pepper instructions. 1. Heat green tea in a saucepan. 2. Add boiled vegetables and season with salt and pepper. 3. Serve warm. 6. Green tea and apple salad ingredients. 1 cup mixed greens. 2. 1 apple, sliced. 3. 1/4 cup brewed green tea, cooled. 4. 1 teaspoon olive oil. 5. 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar instructions. 1. Toss greens and apple slices in a bowl. 2. Whisk green tea, olive oil, and vinegar for the dressing. 3. Drizzle dressing over salad. 7. Matcha yogurt parfait ingredients. 1 cup Greek yogurt. 2. 1 teaspoon matcha powder. 3. 1 teaspoon honey. 4. Granola and fruit for layering instructions. 1. Mix yogurt with matcha powder and honey. 2. Layer with granola and fruit in a glass. 8. Green tea infused quinoa bowl ingredients. 1/2 cup quinoa. 2. 1 cup brewed green tea. 3. 1/2 avocado. 4. 1 boiled egg. 5. Salt and pepper instructions. 1. Cook quinoa in brewed green tea. 2. Top with avocado and boiled egg. 3. Season with salt and pepper. 9. Green tea popsicles ingredients. 1 cup brewed green tea, cooled. 2. 1 cup watermelon, blended. 3. 1 teaspoon lime juice instructions. 1. Mix green tea, blended watermelon, and lime juice. 2. Pour into popsicle molds and freeze. 10. Green tea Chia Fresca ingredients. 1 cup brewed green tea, cooled. 2. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 3. 1 teaspoon honey. 4. Juice of 1/2 lime instructions. 1. Stir chia seeds into green tea and let sit for 10 minutes. 2. Add honey and lime juice. 3. Stir again and serve. These recipes are simple, refreshing, and perfect for incorporating green tea into your daily routine for weight loss.